How to hide unhide buy sell arrows in your chart in TradingView. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome to another video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you guys can hide or unhide your buy sell arrows in your chart in TradingView. So without any further ado, let's begin. First step, simply head over to tradingview.com and log in into your account. After you do that, you can then head over to whichever chart you want. I'll just head over to the first one and tap on the full chart option. After you're on the full chart, if you have bought or sold this you know share from here, you will notice the buy sell arrows at the point where you bought it or sell it. So that is an indicator. So yeah, you cannot actually directly remove it from there, even though it's an indicator. What you'll need to do is you'll need to head over to your settings. So you'll find the settings icon right here, tap on it. After you're here, you'll find multiple options. Head over to the trading option here. After you're on the trading options, you'll find multiple uh, options again. What you'll need to search for is this one called execution marks. If you toggle this button off, your buy sell arrows will just disappear. You can toggle this back again to unhide it and show when you want it to see. So this is useful when you want to take screenshots of your chart, but you don't want to show your buy sell arrows. You can simply toggle this button off of the execution mark, and then the buy sell arrow will just disappear. You can toggle it back again after you're done with whatever you want to do. Then tap on OK, and you're good to go. And that's basically how you do it, guys. And that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye-bye.